What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? Today I am feeling a little bit hopeful, and I'll explain to you why. We've got some interesting indicators that could possibly be flashing soon, along with some interesting news stories to talk about. But before we get into that, if at any point you enjoy this video, please consider hitting the like, hitting subscribe, turning on my post notifications, so you can always be here as soon as I upload, and it really supports my channel. Thank you guys, as always, I appreciate it. So let's get right into this. First thing I'm seeing when I look at the Bitcoin chart here on the daily is that it looks like we're going to print a green dot soon down here on this momentum wave. And if that is the case, if we're able to print a green dot and confirm it, then that would mean we have a large bullish divergence forming here on the daily time frame. If you zoom in on the momentum wave, it looks like it is starting to clip off here. You can see it. You can see the bottom is no longer curved. It kind of had a sharp crossover, so I'm thinking we can probably get a green dot by the end of this daily close here. And on the money flow on the daily, it also seems like it has cut off lower than the previous wave. You could see it curved over, and doesn't necessarily mean it can't come back down lower than what it previously was, but it looks like it wants to start working its way towards the positive side. So some possible bullish indicators on Bitcoin's daily time frame. Also, the RSIs are looking pretty good. They are oversold right now, and they have a sharp turn to the upside. I mean, you can see the RSIs have actually been oversold here for quite some time, since since like a few days into this drop we've had. The RSI has been oversold. Looking at the 4-hour time frame too, we also had a bullish divergence on here. You look, the momentum waves going higher, closer to the positive side, while price is obviously decreasing. So, and we did get a nice little pump here. I don't know if that was all we're gonna get from this bullish divergence. The VWAP looks like it's looking to come down to the negative side and maybe loop back around in a day's time. So things are possibly looking bearish for today at least, but I would be watching for the daily close, looking to see if we get a green dot down here, and then we could possibly see some bullish action. Now we do have the CME futures closes coming up in a few days, this Friday. Right now it's Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, so in 2 days we have the CME futures closes. So I don't know if that is going to have any effect on these indicators playing out. Typically we see a bit of bearish action at the end of the month when the futures contracts close. We did have a pretty distinct wick off of this resistance level right here, which means we could be in for a bit of bearish action today. I would look for maybe a bounce off this support line. If not, hopefully we don't come down to the support line again, because that would not be good. But I mean, pretty much Bitcoin has just been really choppy, We traded in this area for a long time, and now we're just kind of trading in this area right here. Not much trading opportunities right now, at least in the short term. I would look for some of those indicators to possibly give us a distinct trend, a distinct direction before making any trades. That's what I would do. Okay, so now moving over to the news stories of today. Coinbase is now available in Japan with 5 cryptocurrencies available to be traded. According to the Japanese regulators, Coinbase can now enter the Japanese crypto market. Coinbase can trade 5 cryptocurrencies. This includes Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Stellar Lumens and Litecoin. So now I found this very interesting for Stellar Lumens because if you look at the other four, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin, those are all the crypto projects that have been around for a long time that absolutely everybody knows about. And like, I wouldn't say they're the best. I mean, Bitcoin Cash pretty much does absolutely nothing, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, everybody knows about those ones. So why did they add Stellar Lumens on that list? So if you haven't heard of XLM, it is aiming to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. So it essentially seems like another competitor to XRP and Algorand. And I find it interesting that it's one of the only projects that Japanese people can buy on Coinbase. That is something that interests me. So, Stellar Lumens fans, let me know what you guys think of this in the comments. Alright, and next story, we have a Nigerian central cryptocurrency to launch this year. We might see a Nigerian cryptocurrency this year. This has happened after the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria planned to allow crypto. In fact, Nigeria is not the only country planning to do so. We have many other countries like India, US, Russia, and even China planning on launching a central digital currency. It also means that there will be lots of competition in this space in the near future. I agree, there will be lots of competition. Lots of competition, lots of people wanting to win, lots of dirty moves. There's a lot of stuff coming, guys, let's just say that. A lot of FUD, a lot of misdirection. It all comes with competition, and that's what this is. According to the reports, the digital currency that Nigeria is planning to launch this year has been 2 years in the making. Nigeria does not want to be left behind in the technical revolution and hence the adoption of blockchain technology. Their previous negative take on cryptocurrencies was due to skepticism. A lot of illegal activities were happening in the crypto sector back in 2018, and they wanted to protect their citizens. So this is interesting, Their previous negative take on cryptocurrencies was due to skepticism, and they bring back up the Bitcoin is used for illegal activities FUD. But, I mean, hey, maybe this shows that they're finally crawling out from under the rock and understand that that's exactly what it was, just skepticism. Yeah, it's interesting the way people talk about it. They say it's used for illegal activities and they have skepticism over it, but then they also mention the fact that it is for sure a technical revolution. And it is, guys. Blockchain technology is being accepted at a faster rate than the internet. It is growing faster than the internet. I mean, it is, some people say Web 2.0, but this is indeed a technical revolution. And we are in the middle of it. Isn't that great, guys? The clash of private and public cryptocurrencies will be strong, but I highly doubt that any central cryptocurrency will be able to beat Bitcoin or Ethereum for that matter. They can do well, but Bitcoin will still be the market leader. Hence why, even in times of uncertainty, you never want to get rid of your Bitcoin or Ethereum. Unless, of course, you're a boss and you can sell the tops and buy the bottoms, but I'm just not that good at trading, so I'm just going to hold on to my Bitcoin and Ethereum and Chainlink. But if a central digital currency is designed, it will be controlled by the government. It will be centralized just like a fiat currency, and hence might turn out to be inflationary. In fact, governments might even release new tokens in the market just for their own benefit or generate their own coins. The point is, it will defeat the sole purpose of crypto, so it's not the solution. What do you think about the Nigerian central cryptocurrency which might launch soon? And do you think private cryptocurrencies will be able to compete with public ones? let us know in the comments below. Yeah, I appreciate you guys saying that for me. Stole the words right out of my mouth. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much all I had for this video, some interesting stuff. Coinbase being available to Japanese citizens, and Nigeria seemingly hopping on the blockchain wave, and not looking to be left behind in this technical revolution that we're in the middle of. Guys, no matter what the FUD is, what's going on with the news stories, what's going on with the price, I'm just excited to be in the middle of this. I feel fortunate that I was given the information. I was able to learn about this and learn about it the correct way, not learn about it by listening to all the FUD news stories about it. That was a scam, and it's used for illegal activities, and it's bad for the environment, and it's only used by greedy people, and no, guys. I believe that this technology is going to be the biggest wealth transfer in human history, and I believe that we're still extremely early in this space in what crypto is going to do for the financial system, for the billions of people that do not have a solid, structured financial system or a solid, structured currency, no way to keep their value, no way to exchange value. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, guys. That I genuinely haven't been more excited for anything in my life, hence why I'm here. Hence why you guys are here as well, because you guys probably feel the same as me. Okay guys, well, that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If at any point you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like, hitting subscribe, turning on my post notifications. It really helps more than you can know. I appreciate it. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.